you guys. Yay!
Here are the ingredients and the items you'll need for making sweet chili sauce. Crush 6 pieces of the dried chili peppers. Use as many as you want if you want the sauce to be extra spicy. In a medium-sized saucepan, put 1 cup of water over medium-high heat. Add 1/2 cup of rice wine vinegar. Then 3/4 cup of sugar. Stir until well blended and sugar has dissolved. Add 2 teaspoons of finely minced ginger, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, the crushed dried chili peppers, and 2 teaspoons of ketchup. Turn the heat to medium-low and stir until well combined. Simmer for 8 to 12 minutes. Combine the corn flour mixture and pour it into the sauce. Stir until well blended. Boil for 8 to 12 minutes or until the sauce is thick to your desired consistency. Don't forget to stir occasionally. Turn the heat off and allow the sauce to cool down completely.
Now it's time for taste test. Let's go ahead and transfer the sweet chili sauce in a mason jar.
Using a small funnel, carefully pour the sweet chili sauce into the mason jar. Use a chopped or wooden stick to unclog just like so. Then carefully pour the remaining sweet chili sauce. Yay! Here you go, my sweet chili sauce. Refrigerate after use and enjoy! What are you eating?
The sweet and sour sauce?
How is it?
It's good. Really good.